Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm at the WOW Summit, beautiful crypto conference, and I've been talking to some of my large investor friends, so like groups of people that have hundreds of millions, billions, multiple billions. And what happened today with Bitcoin actually scared the shit out of me. A lot of people were like, oh, this is nice, Elon pumped up Bitcoin. Even I was thinking this, and on the technicals it's showing bottoming on the technicals. But I'm getting worried. I'm getting worried about Bitcoin. I'm getting worried about altcoins. A lot of people are like, oh, altcoins have already dropped. Stocks have already dropped. We've dropped so much on Facebook. And I've been buying a lot of them down the bottom. But I think this can get much worse. I think we're at the potential of, we already started a world war. Russia, China against the USA, against NATO, which is already happening. Food, oil skyrocketing up, so the price of petrol going through the roof for most people. How are they going to be investing, buying stocks, buying cryptos, when their food is going up so much, when their petrol prices are going so much? Where are they going to get this excess liquidity to put into investments? I think we could be at the precipice of a huge, worst market crash the world has ever seen. And I sold mostly into USDT. I've been buying down here, and it's about even from where I've been buying. But just, I'm getting fearful, I'm seeing that we could have a lot more to drop. And even when I'm here at this WOW Summit, a lot of these people, their cryptos have dropped 70%. They're still holding. They're still going about business as usual. And that scares me. They should be panicking. Their investments, their assets, their cryptos, have just been destroyed. But they're like going about like everything is normal. So what I'm going to do after this video, I'm not going to show you the technicals. I'm going to get out of my Bitcoin, my altcoin. I'm going to show you me getting out of them, my stock positions. And I'm going to be mainly in US dollars and see what happens. I would rather be secure and safe with my assets and my capital. Rule number 1 by Warren Buffett when it comes to making money, don't lose money. Rule number 2 is don't forget rule number 1. I thought we're close to the bottom on stocks, the bottom of crypto, the bottom of Bitcoin. Maybe we are. But the vibes I'm getting is that we could be at the beginnings of one of the worst market conditions the world has ever seen. And I mean greater than 2008. I mean greater than COVID. And if you're saying, oh, that's crazy, worse than 2008, we are going to war with Russia. NATO is on the verge of a world war with Russia. These are not some small countries, Russia, China, America, NATO. These are the world's superpowers, and the markets are reacting, and people here are reacting like it's kind of normal, everything business as usual. And I don't see that. And usually when I'm the one seeing something different, I'm usually right. So I'm going to jump in, start selling my portfolios, closing my longs. You're going to see me do it now. Let's jump into my positions now. In this account, I have 178,000. I mean, it's down around. I had 184,000 in here, so it's down around $6,000. But I'm going to start closing positions, closing my Bitcoin. Now, I'm selling it right now on Bybit. You can do this as well. That's why I like Bybit Exchange. If I have these assumptions, I can start selling and get out. I'm going to sell it for what the people are asking. Sell. My order is filling. Bitcoin is selling. Next, BIT. I'm going to sell as well. One of the altcoins, almost exactly where I bought it last time. But I'm going to start selling. Sell. Confirm. It's starting to sell my positions. CRV. Almost where I bought it, a little bit below. Sell. I think I can only sell how many per time? No, I want to sell CRV. Sell. You're seeing my orders starting to fill. DYDX. Sell. DYDX got hit pretty hard actually since I bought it. But I think this can get a lot worse. People are like, how can it get worse? Elon Musk tweeted that he holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, and he's not selling it, yet the price barely even moved. The richest man in the world said he's holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the price barely moved. And that's signaling danger signs to me. Sell. Everyone went bullish. Oh, Elon Musk is holding. Even I was thinking this earlier today, but the price barely moved. So everything is selling into USD. You're seeing me selling now. I've got 78,000 now in USD. It's slowly converting. Orders are filling. Let's see. So everything is turning into US dollars. And I'm going to do the same to my stock portfolio. So BIT is selling, filled 23,000. Bitcoin is selling. How much did Bitcoin sell already? I'm going to close my longs. My Bitcoin long almost break even. It was at $400 in the profit. Ethereum is long, but I'm going to just be closing these closed. I'm going everything into US dollars, everyone. Bitcoin, let's sell my, like, lower the price. I'm feeling that there's a big potential crash incoming. So I'm going to sell Bitcoin for lower than people are asking. I want to get out of my positions. And I don't care if I pay a few more dollars more than what people are asking right now. I want to get out of my positions. Sell my orders first. So now US dollars, I've got now, how much in US dollars? I've got 177,200, 160,000 in US dollars. DYDX still is closing. BIT, there's still more to sell of BIT. I actually moved the price of some of these a little bit, but they're still selling. DYDX, I'm going to be closing, and after this, I'm going to go through and close my DYDX. After this, I'm going to be going through and closing my stock positions as well. My stocks are almost break even, but again, I feel this can get much worse. DYDX is selling, but I want to sell it quicker. Bybit is almost closed. Okay, DYDX is filling. After this video, I'm going to also go through and close my stock positions. I'm going all cash in everything, all USD, all USDT, in cryptos, in stocks. I'm a venture capitalist, so I have millions invested in projects that are vesting over time. I'm going to be also selling those as well. Not the news that I want to be actually saying during a WOW Summit, during a crypto event. I come to a crypto event, I'm a kind of a person that's going to be speaking at the events. I'm an influencer, and I'm getting out. And I don't think anyone else is going to tell you this. Most of the people are like, it's bullish, we're at the bottom. And even I was saying that I think Bitcoin is at the bottom. But I think this gets a lot worse. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I'm getting out of everything. Maybe I'm wrong. Usually I'm not. Thank you for watching. Even with this, the best thing to be during a war situation, world war, is be in US dollars, waiting for real blood on the streets. When every one of these people is crying, when they're all getting out, then they're still showing things in this event. They're still trying to raise money. And what I'm seeing is no one gives a shit about any of their projects. I'm getting out. When everyone's panicking, when these stores are shut down, when no one's buying stocks, when everyone hates crypto, that's when I'm going to be buying. And again, this is also what my huge billionaire investor friends, this is what they're doing as well. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the bad news. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.